Hello. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will demonstrate how you can easily compress PDF files to reduce the file size using custom API calls with PDF.co and Zapier. You can find the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Feel free to visit PDF.co for more information. Here is the PDF sample with a large file size that we will compress using the custom API call in order to reduce its file size. Without any delay, let's begin. To start, please log into your Zapier account and locate the Create Zap button to initiate the process. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. You can also use different cloud storage to store your file depending on your preference and requirements. Then choose the New File in Folder trigger option, which will activate the Zap whenever a new file is added to a specific folder in Google Drive. Now, connect your Google Drive account to Zapier in order to gain access to your account. Let's set up the trigger. First, choose My Google Drive as the drive to use from the available options. And enter the specific folder path where your PDF file is stored. Once you have set up the trigger, it's important to test it to ensure that it is configured correctly without any errors. Since the test trigger was successful and the file was retrieved from the Google Drive folder, we can now proceed to add another app in Zapier to compress the large PDF file and reduce its file size. In this step, we will add the PDF.co app to Zapier. And select the Custom API Call option, which allows us to access any endpoint within the PDF.co API. Now, to establish a seamless connection between your PDF.co account and Zapier, simply add your API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the configuration for the custom API call. First, look for the PDF Optimize endpoint, which is designed to reduce the file size of the PDF document. Next, select the web content link from Google Drive. Then set it to true. Using async mode is recommended for higher performance with this custom API call. Once the configuration is complete, we can proceed with testing the action to see the results. The test was successful and returned the temporary URL contains the compressed PDF file. Copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the PDF document that has been successfully compressed, resulting in a reduced file size. Please feel free to download the document and compare it with the previous version to see the difference in file size. Here is the comparison of the two PDF files. The first one is the original file, while the second one is the result of successful compression, which has effectively reduced the file size. This comparison will highlight the differences and improvements achieved through the compression process, showcasing how the compressed file is more efficient in terms of size and storage requirements. We have more tutorials that are readily available on our PDF.co website. You can also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.